Welcome to First Layer Problems, where I solve my first world problems with 3D printing. Today we will be making a paper towel holder to hold my paper towel rolls when I'm working on processing resin 3D prints. When you're cleaning up resin prints, there's a lot of mess. You have to wear gloves and your gloves get covered in resin. And if you want to touch anything else other than the print, you need to wipe your gloves off the paper towel. You also use them to clean up a ton during and after you're done processing the prints. Right now, these just sit somewhere on my desk and it's super inconvenient. And I would like to find a way to get that on the wall right behind me so that I can just reach up with one hand, rip down a paper towel, and clean up and keep working. So yeah, that's today's first world problem. First things first was to find if anyone had already created a file. So I went on printables.com and I found this great, mostly print-in-place paper towel holder by someone named Yogi Tech. It's got these two hinges, and it even has these springs that you print separately that slide in, and they force the springs back down so they don't just stay up once you remove the paper towel roll. So I went ahead and downloaded the file. I imported them into Prusa, sliced them up, and then uploaded them to Clipper to be printed. After about 3 hours, these prints came out beautifully. I had originally planned to screw in these mounts into the wooden wall behind me, but I found that 2 command hook adhesive tapes were just enough to hold up a roll of paper towels. So now I have a wonderful paper towel holder back here that will be ready for me whenever I do some resin processing again. Hope you enjoyed the first episode of First Layer Problems, the series where I'll plan on fixing small first world problems and inconveniences with 3D printing. If you have any recommendations, leave it down in the comments below. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks for your support. See you next time.